COVID-19 and the CARES Act. Should you take a required mandatory distribution from your IRA? Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. Today I'd like to speak about your required mandatory distribution under the new CARES Act. Before I get to that, if you would like to make an appointment or speak with me, just give me a call. Please go to my scheduling page, callfrankbruno.com. Take a look at the website, frankbrunolaw.com. Right? Two different websites. It's the same website, frankbrunolaw.com, and the Call Frank Bruno is my scheduling page. So, the CARES Act. The CARES Act was signed 2 Fridays ago, and it provided in part that for this year, the required mandatory distribution of your IRA does not have to be taken. So if you hit 72 years old and you have money in an IRA, you have to take out this RMD. The CARES Act provides that this year, for 2020, you do not have to exercise that RMD, right? And otherwise, it's required. So that's an important feature of the CARES Act. And you have to consider whether or not you wanted to exercise that option. Now, there's a couple of reasons, at least 2 that I could think of, as to why you would want to not take an RMD. And if you have a specific situation, at least 1 reason why you would want to take your RMD. So I'll go to the 2 reasons first. Now, your RMD is calculated based on the money that you had inside of your IRA as of December 31, 2019. And if you had equities, we all know that the stock market recently took a hit, right? A series of hits. And any money that you had as of 2019 presently would be significantly less, right? At least a percentage less. But it doesn't matter what you have in your IRA now at this present moment or whenever you take out your RMD, the distribution is based on the end of 2019. Now, that's the first reason why you might not want to take your money out. The second reason is you'd have to pay tax on the money that you had in the account in 2019. So it's a 1-2 punch. That might be why you wouldn't want to take out the money. And really, if you keep your money in the IRA and you let the money sit there, we all reasonably believe that the stock market will appreciate again and your money will go back to something close to the levels it was, right? Now, if you are a Medicaid recipient and you're presently receiving the benefits of Medicaid, you would be required to take the RMD. That's a function of receiving Medicaid benefits. If you have money in an IRA and you're within the period of time that you have to take an RMD, it's considered an income stream rather than an asset, and the asset is not utilized. It's an exempt asset under Medicaid. So 2 reasons to not take out your RMD, and at least 1 reason that you might have to. Okay? So if you would like to speak about this or any other elder law issue, please go to callfrankbruno.com. If you like this information, please like it or share it. That would be helpful. Thank you very much.